Did you know that you can receive notifications on LinkedIn when your favorite thought leader or prospective client actually post? So there's this feature on LinkedIn that allows you to get notified the second that your favorite person posts. I'm Deborah Ashley, the LinkedIn Black Belt, and today I'm going to walk you through how to access this thing called bell notifications, why you should consider using it, and some considerations when using this newer LinkedIn tool. All right, so we are going to go. We know we have our homepage right here. We're going to go and find someone that we would like to follow, right? So a favorite of mine is Adam Grant. Now, keep in mind when you select this, you first have to follow the person in order for the bell to show up. So as you can see, I'm already following Adam. Here is the notification bell. The very second that he shares content on LinkedIn, if I press this, you'll be notified about all new posts from Adam. I will get a notification from LinkedIn. So let's give it an example for Marshall Goldsmith. I'm not yet following him, and as you can see, there is no sign of any bell, right? As soon as I follow him, we see this bell appear. We press the bell, and voila, we will get notified as soon as Marshall posts. Now, comment below, let me know if you already have the bell on, if this was new to you, how you want to start to use it. And don't forget to subscribe, leave me a message, and follow me on LinkedIn if you have any questions whatsoever. Thank you so much for visiting. I will see you next time.